Hi, and welcome to training for Chariga Capital Projects. Chariga is an application used by the Department of Veteran Affairs to capture the execution of any given capital project. Some of the information captured is the contracts on the project, the submittal package, RFIs, inspection tasks, and so on. Chariga is a web-based application, meaning you can access it from anywhere where you have an internet connection, and you will be provided with a login account by your field support staff if you do not have one already. Today we'll be going over inspection tasks. Inspection tasks in Chariga are records that can be created to manage tasks that are outstanding. Although meeting minutes and other components have the ability to track outstanding items, inspection tasks can be used to manage items that may need to be fulfilled outside of those records. The inspection task is not linked to any other record in Chariga and is a standalone record in nature. Therefore, they can be created to identify critical items outside of a project schedule that do still need to be done. To Chariga, go over that. Going to log into Chariga. First things first, make sure you're in the correct project. I want to be in CFM Project 1. You can find that out by looking at project data in the top right. Right up here. Next, I need to find my project data list on the left. And I'm going to be looking for inspections and then inspection task. Click on it to be taken to my inspection task page. Be given a list of all of the inspection tasks in this project and on this contract. To click add to begin creating a new one. After the record is opened, the first thing you want to do is find the currently viewing section and then select your contract by clicking in the magnifying glass to the right. This will give you a list of all the contracts you have access to. Select the one that is correct by clicking the radio button to the left and then clicking OK. Next, in the general section below, you'll need to give this task a name. Do that in the name field. Moving on down, we need to find the organization responsible section right beneath the general section. Here, we can click Find to select our responsible organization. You can search by name if you'd like. I'm going to select that this is a CFM task that needs to be done, so I'm going to select the Office of CFM. Select it by clicking the radio button again and then clicking OK. And moving on down to the planned section. You need to check the planned start date. This date is automatically entered as the date we're entering or started creating the inspection task. If this date is wrong, we need to correct it. So I'm going to change this as, I'm going to say this is supposed to start tomorrow at 8 in the morning. I'm going to select February 14th, change the time to 8, and then click OK. Enter the amount of days that you're giving the organization to complete this task in the planned working days field right here. I'm going to give them 2 days. And once you exit out of the field, you'll see that the planned duration updates with 2 days. The planned end date will also update. And then we can click Create Draft. We'll see that after clicking Create Draft, our baseline section updates too. So next, we can enter the instructions in the description field right here. If this field doesn't give you enough space to type in what you're looking for, click Save. Type up your information in a separate Word document, or if you have a PDF that you'd like to upload with it, you can do so by going to the Notes and Documents tab. Notes and Documents. Find the Related Documents section. Follow it to the right, click Upload. This will open a new window. You're able to upload any files you'd like just by dragging and dropping them into the window. I'm going to drop 2 in here. Select my files, drag them over, drop them in. They will appear on the list. Click Submit. You let them upload. You'll see a quick progress bar. The window will close automatically when it's finished uploading. And then you will find your documents in the Related Documents section. Click Save once more to make sure those stay in there. Okay. Next, we want to click Activate. Next, we'll want to click Activate. Alright, status will be review in progress for a moment. See now the status isn't active, so meaning this is being actively worked on. If you'd like to send this inspection task to a specific person, you can do so using the correspondence video instructions. If you send this to a contractor via the correspondence, they will be able to reply to you as to when the status is done. When you do get a response back via the correspondence, come into the record, enter the actual start and actual end date. So let's say they did start at February 14th at 8 in the morning. So that is correct. And the actual end date was 1 day later. And say it took them actually 3 actual working days instead of 2. And the actual end date will update. I'll have all that information. I will save. And then I can mark this complete. Clicking the complete action. So you'll be in the routing in progress status. And I will search for my name, my number here, just so I can see it by itself. And now it is completed. And the task is now completed. Received information from a correspondent saying that it was. Task is marked complete. Thank you.